guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's my 5th day in Paris, and today I'm bringing you to Arc de Triomphe. But first, macarons for brekkie. So now I'm off to Laduree. So I'm just having my coffee and my French toast now, and then I will get my macarons for takeaway. So for my takeaway, I am getting citron, rose, salted caramel, pistachio, strawberry candy, and chocolate hazelnut. Okay, as always, Laduree never disappoints. You simply have to try these pastries to understand how good they are. Hey guys, do not try to cross the roundabout to the Arc. There is an underground tunnel that will safely take you there. Do not kill yourself for a selfie, okay? So as always, pre-book your tickets online. It will save you tons of time. Okay, I'm here guys. So this arc was actually built to honor the people who died for France. There are no lifts, just spiral staircases, so be ready for a workout. I need a little break, so I'm just at this tiny little spot on the side. Yes! 284 steps later, I've reached the top. So if you want a bird's eye view of Paris, this is the place to go. The climb will even reward you with the best view of the tree-lined Champs-Elysees. Going down now, guys. Yeah. Plus, it gives you a little break from the crowds. My takeaway from Laduree a while back. Yay! Macarons, anyone? Rose. Strawberry vanilla. Salted caramel. And my favorite of all time is pistachio. So guys, make sure that no matter how short your trip to Paris is, that you book a river cruise, because there's really something special about seeing the major attractions from the water. I promise you, you will thank me later.
Minutes of the sparkle light on your fetara.
Yay! See you!
Sorry for the weather.
Perfect. Hey, so that ends my vlog today, guys. I hope you are enjoying all my Parisian adventures, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye! Mwah! Au revoir!